If you take shelter in the bramble, may you not be burned.
From the high place he called below, a voice of warning, quiet, slow.
People of Shechem, have you done right, or chosen power, ignoring light? The trees once sought to crown a king. The olive tree said, let me bring my oil to bless, not rule or war. The fig declined, the vine said no more. But then the bramble raised its voice. Take shelter here if that's your choice. But if you don't, then flames will rise and burn the cedars with the skies. The bramble burns, it bears no fruit. It grows in rage, it strikes the root. It offers shade but gives no grace. Its crown is thorns, its rule misplaced. If you have acted just and true, let peace and joy return to you. But if you've turned from what is right, then fire will come and end your night. Did you forget Jerubbaal's name? He fought for you, not seeking fame. But now you raise a thorn to reign and sell the truth for fear and the end. Oh, trees, beware the bramble's shade. It promises but will betray. And when it burns, it takes you too. For fire comes for all untrue. The bramble burns, it bears no fruit. It offers pride but not the root. If you have walked in wickedness, then judgment rides on flame and stress. But if your hands are clean and true, let joy and mercy fall on you. Let justice ring from mountain song and turn again to right from wrong. The bramble burned, let the cedars beware.